Hello and Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we will learn how to create paper tone effect in Photoshop. So without further ado, let's get start the video. Firstly, insert your first picture and adjust it according to your need. Then insert your PNG and adjust this PNG according to your needs. Then press Ctrl plus J to copy this PNG. Press Ctrl T. Adjust both PNGs according to your need. After that, insert your third picture and adjust it. Drag this layer into the bottom. Then create a layer mask on this image. Then go to the toolbar and select brush tool. Then select hard round brush. Set your brush size according to your needs. Make sure foreground color is black. Start brushing on this area. If you make any mistake, then simply click on the Ctrl plus Z. That's it. So here is your final result. If you like this video, do like, share and subscribe. Lies your mind.